Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate parent XPath access. So let's get started. In the previous session, I've covered how to use child XPath access in XPath expressions. Now I am going to cover another XPath access known as parent XPath access. So the syntax for using this parent XPath access in XPath expressions is we have to type parent, then say colon, colon. Two times you have to type colon. Okay, parent, colon, colon. Now, how to use this parent XPath access in XPath expressions in a practical way, I am going to demonstrate. So, practical demonstration of parent XPath access and how to use it in the XPath expressions. For that, I'll open this browser and take you to this sample application page, which is on my name. That is my first name Arun and my last name is Motori. Then say dot github.io and press enter. You'll be taken to this website page. Now right click on this page and select inspect option. You'll get the Google Chrome DevTools here. Expand this HTML code in the Google Chrome DevTools. And here on the right side, click on this double arrow and select selector sub. Now, by looking at this code, I want to demonstrate this parent XPath access, how to use that in XPath expressions or while creating the XPath expressions. Okay, fine. Now, first let me locate this paragraph tag. Okay, one of the child tag of this, you see, for this particular child tag, there is a parent tag body. For this parent tag body, there is another parent tag HTML, right? So I want to locate this p tag. Okay, first paragraph tag. How to do that? Double forward slash p square bracket at the rate. Here it has some ID attribute and its value is equal to, I'll write para 1. Now using this XPath expression, which is locating this paragraph tag, I want to locate its parent tag. Okay. So here I have written first, okay. Here I have first written the XPath expression for locating that is proper XPath expression for locating one of the child tags here. Okay. Now using this child tag, I want to locate its parent tag. That's the requirement. So with the help of this XPath expression, I want to locate its parent tag element. So for that, let's say I want to locate the body tag with the help of the XPath expression of this particular p tag. So for that, I have to write forward slash. After that, I need to write. After that, I need to write parent colon colon. So this is a parent XPath access. You have to write the way I have shown here already. The syntax for using the parent XPath access I already have shown here. The same thing I have written. And following that, you have to write the tag name of the parent element, that is body. Press enter. You see, the body tag is getting located. The body tag is getting located. The entire body section of the page is getting located. By using the XPath expression of its child tag or child element, I am locating its parent tag or element. For that to be possible, I have to use parent XPath access in the XPath expressions like this. So let me copy this and paste here as an example. Okay. So let me paste here as an example. Sorry. Fine. So let me also drag this a bit upper so that we have a lot more examples coming in. Should not be a problem for us in this area. Fine. Great. Now let's move on. Now, till here we have located the body tag. Now, with the help of this, I want to locate the HTML tag. How that is possible? For the body tag, who is immediate parent? HTML. So I can write forward slash parent colon colon HTML. Press enter. You see, HTML tag is getting located. Here HTML tag is getting located. So from the child, immediate parent if you want to locate, okay, from the child tag if you want to locate the immediate parent, we have to use parent XPath access like this. Now for this particular child, who is the immediate parent for the body tag? Parent is HTML, right? HTML is the immediate parent of the body tag. So to go from the body to the HTML level, which is the immediate parent of the body, you have to use parent colon colon, right? So this is another example. So just for practicing, we are trying all these things, guys. Okay. Just for practicing, we are trying all these XPath expressions. You can also practice the same. Now, fine. So let me do another thing in this website page. For example, I want to locate the title tag. So double forward slash title. I'm locating the title tag. Now with the help of the title tag, I want to locate the head tag. How that is possible, guys? Tell me. With the help of the title tag, I want to locate the head tag. How that is possible? I have to write forward slash. Then can I write head like this? Press enter. Will it work? Zero elements because head is the immediate parent of the title tag. It's not the child. If you are simply using forward slash and writing head, here head means head should be the child of the title. But in this scenario, head is immediate parent, not the child of the title tag. So how to, express this in XPath expressions by using the parent XPath access. Here before the head tag, you have to write parent colon colon head. It will locate. Okay. If you don't write this, it will consider the XPath expression will consider head may be the child of the title, which is not correct in this case. So we have to write parent colon colon head. Then head tag will get located because head is the immediate parent of the title. To go from the child tag to the parent tag, we have to write the parent XPath access in the XPath expressions like this. Now from the head tag, for the head tag, who is the immediate parent HTML? Can I locate HTML with the help of head? Yes. Again, forward slash. The relation between the head and HTML is a parent of the head. Okay. From the child tag, if you want to go to the immediate parent tag, you have to write parent colon colon HTML. Then it will locate the HTML tag. You see, it's locating the HTML tag. So this is the XPath expression for going from the child tags to the immediate parent tags. The more you practice, the more confident you become in using this parent colon colon XPath access. Fine. Now, can I do something like this? Double forward slash p square bracket at the rate id is equal to 1 or p of 1, which is a paragraph tag. With the help of this XPath expression or with help from here, this XPath expression is locating this paragraph tag. From here, I want to locate directly the HTML tag. Is it possible? With help of parent XPath access, if I write parent colon colon HTML, will that be possible? The answer is no. It will say 0 elements. Why? Because P is a grandchild of the HTML. Okay, HTML is not the immediate parent of the P tag. So here if you say parent, this HTML should be the immediate parent of the P tag. Otherwise, it will not locate. Okay, directly I cannot jump from P tag to the HTML tag. To go to the HTML tag, first I need to go to the, from P tag I need to go to the body tag, from body tag I need to go to the HTML tag. But direct jump like this is not possible with help of parent XPath access. Okay, this won't work. This scenario won't work. Even the same thing applies for, can I directly, using the title tag, can I locate the HTML tag by writing the parent XPath access like this? Title, locate the title tag. You see, it will locate the title tag and slash parent colon colon HTML won't be possible, 0 elements. To locate the HTML tag with the title tag, first with the title tag, you have to go to the immediate parent with the help of parent XPath access. First here I have to write head. Then from there, you have to again write forward slash parent colon colon HTML. Then it will locate, right? This is a way of going. But directly we cannot jump from grandchild to grandparent using the parent XPath access. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.